Hey y'all, today I'm making a nice, you guys asked for a Mexican rice recipe, so here we go. This is a box or a packet of Mexican rice. I've got a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and that goes right in there. I'm gonna slide this back because this is a casserole and make double the portion, but I've got the taco rice one as well. If you have an opportunity to use two of anything, I like mixing it up. Go ahead and add a tablespoon of oil to that. And then I'm gonna slide this back and make some space for chicken broth. We're gonna use this entire container. That goes right in there. And once that's all inside the container, I'm going to bring out, these are chicken tenderloins. You can use chicken breasts as well, but I'm going to use the tenderloins because they're just easier to work with. You know, they're smaller pieces, so I don't really have to cut them up. And I've got this, I'm starting to really like this Siete taco seasoning. It's good and mild, so this gets put all over your chicken. And you're just going to go ahead and massage the chicken with the taco seasoning. Make sure every piece is coated. Once that's all combined, you go ahead and put them into the packets of rice. It's okay if you can't fit everything in, because you can always place them right on top afterwards. And then you're going to go ahead and give it a good massage. Right into the broth, just like that. So that was the taco rice. We're gonna do the same thing with this Mexican rice. Give it a good massage, make sure everything is combined, and dump that right on inside. Oh, that looks so good already, y'all. See, and I didn't even have to cut up any of that chicken. And take those pieces of chicken right in there, and that's when we're going to bring back the rest of our chicken. Add that to the rice. You can just lay that, make it look nice and pretty. It's going to look so good. It already smells so amazing in the kitchen, y'all. What do you guys usually do for Taco Tuesday? Let me know in the comments. Do you just do tacos, or do you like taco adjacent recipes? Okay, now we're gonna add, this is a can of black beans. I'm not even gonna drain it. We're gonna put the whole thing in there. See, all empty. And then we're adding, this is a jar of, I didn't know Cholula made salsa. What's your favorite salsa? Let me know that too in the comments. I like trying different kinds of brands, so put that in there, the whole thing. And we're just gonna mix it all together. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. So this has been in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. I actually put some foil on top. This is the last step. This is a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack cheese. As you know, cheesy rice is the best kind of rice, especially for Taco Tuesday. So I've got the 2-cup bag of Colby Jack, and then I'm going to come in with a 2-cup bag of cheddar jack. All over the top. And I have cut up, this is 2 jalapenos that I've cut really thick slices, so just go ahead and put them on top of the cheese. And then this is going to go right back into a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes just to get all the cheese melted and the jalapenos a little bit toasty. Ooh, look at how bubbly it is on the sides. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, I've got this Taco Bell avocado, oh my God, this sauce is so good. Avocado ranch sauce. You can just use sour cream if you want. Just gonna drizzle this. And then also have a little bit at the table, you know, so people can add more if they like. And I've got some sliced green onions. Goes right on top like that. Then I've got a little bit of sour cream. Mix this all together. Then just add some dollops. All over. Now that that's settled down just a little bit, I'm gonna give myself a taste test. Chicken in there with all that rice. Big giant jalapeno on top. Oh, look at, oh, that looks so good. Top like that. Add one more piece of chicken. Look at that, one pot meal, so delicious. And then got some more of that avocado ranch sauce. And a little bit more sour cream, just a little dollop, just like that. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. I'm going to start with that piece of chicken, because that looks so good. Oh yeah, this is so amazingly tasty. And the rice, with all that cheese. Amazing. Thank you guys for suggesting that I make a Taco Tuesday rice dish. I hope you make this too. It's really, really good.